Come, let us spill this already spilled juice. Now, me walking around the Twitter streets known as X currently. Hi guys, I come across this tweet that is addressed to Cassper Nyovest. The girl says her name is Prophet Preshi with a South African flag attached to her, and says, can we talk about Cassper Nyovest, who is running away from being KILLED to seek God's urgent intervention by lying to be a born again? For our fellow international family members in the Lord, Cassper Nyovest is the agent of Satan here in South Africa. Guys, I don't know how this person came to this conclusion. How are they thinking Guti Cassper is all lies? However, people are very skeptical, even though I personally know Cassper loving Christ from his first album, right? He was like always thanking God and but he's being said to see after his friend was ousted, he's next. And because he's next, Ugai is making sure that he is not going to be the victim. But do you think Cassper Nyovest is faking it, or is he genuine? Please do like, share, and subscribe.